David, here we have a Mercedes-Benz Firetruck from 1960, and first order of business is going to be opening the hood.
Right. I've done a lot of these fire trucks, so I definitely know how to open this hood.
That's a light for operating the pump at night.
Okay. There's no handles.
That's a plug for auxiliary power.
Got it. Okay. These levers, they're in German.
No, that operates the water pump.
These?
For when you're putting fires out.
Okay. It doesn't look like it opens this way because this is here, James.
That's a good observation. It does not open that way.
I assume it's going to open like that.
It might.
It might? Do I need to go into the car to open it?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, you don't. But I need to get something for you from inside the truck.
Oh, wow. A device.
This hood is opened by this tool.
Wow, I see a couple big holes.
Good start.
Sounded like a lock. Okay, this one's still locked.
Good start. The whole thing comes off.
Oh, the whole thing comes off.
Nice and easy now.
Aren't you trying to sell this?
Yes, I'm trying to sell it. If anyone wants to buy this, it is for sale.
Ooh. All right.
And that's how you take the hood off of this
Jeez
Louise, David.
You know what? We're just going to put it down there.
It's radiator.
Okay. Now,
for the battery.
Let's find out where all the electronics are going to.
Do you know where the battery is in this car?
I have no idea.
Good. This one's a doozy.
Is it behind the radiator?
It's not behind the radiator.
Okay. Do I need to go into the car to get to it?
Yes.
Okay. I have a feeling that it's over here. Because there's this nice little box. Maybe I'm wrong. Hold on. Put that tool back. Okay, the wires go around, and I don't think it's in the back.
You're warm-ish.
What's this thing?
I couldn't tell you.
Okay.
That's the engine.
This is the engine, I know. Normally the battery's near the engine, but I cannot find it.
Keep looking.
Okay. Is it... Let me get a better angle. It's not up there. It's not up there. It's not down there. Is it... I have no idea.
Keep thinking normal places for batteries to be in weird cars.
Under the seat. Hold on. I found it.
Very impressive.
I found it. It's underneath the seat.
I think this whole seat might actually slide forward.
Oh, wow. And then
all the way.
Does it come off the tracks?
It does come off the tracks. I think you gotta... There you go.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
And there's the battery.